Hey everyone, if you have updated your Mac to macOS Tahoe, you would have noticed that the iconic Mac menu bar has changed. In the new design, macOS does not show a menu bar background, which makes it look a bit empty and weird. If you're like me and you're not a fan of the background-less Mac menu bar, then this video is for you. As in this guide, we will show you how you can get the background back on the menu bar. So let's get started. Start by clicking on the Apple logo from the menu bar and open the system settings. On the System Settings window, click on the menu bar option from the side pane. This will give you access to menu bar settings. Finally, you have to look for the Show Menu Bar Background option and turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, the menu bar background will return and you will get the classic look of the menu bar back. The menu bar with the background looks way better and polished compared to the one without it. If you agree, then now you know how to get it back on Macs running macOS Tahoe. If you like this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Mac and iPhone tips. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.